Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create MailerLite subscribers from Vadu TV lead. Now suppose you have created a video in which you have added a form for capturing lead by using Vadu TV. So you want that whenever a lead is captured through Vadu TV, automatically by using the details of that lead, a new subscriber should be created in MailerLite. So how we are going to do this? How we are going to automate this process? For that we are going to use Pabbly Connect in such a way that whenever a new lead will be captured in Vadu TV, automatically a new subscriber will be created in MailerLite. And for that, we have Vadu TV in our trigger and we have MailerLite in our action. So we will be connecting them both by using Pabbly Connect. And in order to understand this process full step by step, let me take you all to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how can we create MailerLite subscribers automatically by using the details we have received from a lead in Vadu TV. Okay, so let's start learning this process step by step. First of all, to start the process, we have to come on a browser and then in the address bar, we have to search for pabbly.com/connect. And here, after coming on the landing page of the software, we can find two options, sign in and sign up for free. So if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free to create your free new account in just 2 minutes. And also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to explore this amazing software. Because I'm already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. And after coming on all apps section, we can find all the products offered by Pabbly. And in order to create this workflow, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And as we do that, it will take us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we can find all the workflows which we have created. And also to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner. So let's click on it. And now a dialog box has appeared in front of us, which is asking us to provide this workflow a suitable name. So let's give it a name. Create MailerLite subscribers from Vadu TV leads. Okay, and after giving the name, let's click on create. And now in front of us, two windows are open. First is trigger and the other is action. So what are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the basic concepts on which the entire workflow of this automation runs. And we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards the trigger. So here in this workflow, we are going to take Vadu TV in our trigger, which says that whenever a new lead is generated through Vadu TV, automatically by using the details of that lead, a new subscriber should be created in MailerLite, which is going to be our action. So let's start with the trigger. First of all, we have to select our trigger application, which is Vadu TV. Let's select it. And the next is our trigger event. So our trigger event will be lead captured. And here we can find a webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions which we have to follow in order to connect Vadu TV account with Pabbly Connect. So let's follow them. For doing that, let me take you to Vadu TV account. So this is the dashboard of Vadu TV account. Here are two sample projects. So we are going to use this integration project for this workflow. So what we have to do, we have to select this project. So what we have to do, we have to select this project and we have to open it. And now the next step is from our account section, we have to choose settings. And under that, we have to select integrations. So after coming on integrations, we have to click on this option, add webhook. And now there are two options, choose notification and set up URL. So first of all, we have to copy and paste the URL which is provided by Pabbly Connect here in this field. So let's just copy it from here and we have to paste it over here. Done. And the next is choose notifications. So in our choose notifications, we have to select lead capture. And after that, click on save changes. And as we do that, our webhook is set up in this Vadu TV account. Now the next step is we will again go on home. And after selecting our video, we will open it. And now from the left side, we have to go on marketing. And now here we have to turn this lead capture button on. And then we have to go on this customize lead capture look. And here we can find that a form is open in front of us, which we can customize in our terms according to our requirement. So I want to keep the fields as name, email, phone number, and because I do not want this custom input, that's why I am turning it off. And after that, simply I'll click on save changes. Now the next what we have to do, we have to select the time on which we want that the form should arise in front of the viewers. So let me keep it as 2 seconds. And after that, we'll simply click on update. And our changes are successful. That means our form is saved over here. Within 2 seconds, the form will arise in front of the viewers who are going to watch this video. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and here it is showing waiting for webhook response. Now that means we have to do a test submission by filling up the form which arises in front of us while watching the video, so that the webhook response should be captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So let's again go to Voodoo TV, and here we'll play this video. And here we can see that a form is arise in front of us. So let me fill it with dummy details in order to capture the response in Pabbly Connect. Let the name should be dummy lead, a dummy phone number, and the email. So I'm giving the email as done. Now simply click on submit. So our form is submitted. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and check whether we have received the response there. And yes, we can find that we have received the response with the same details which we have entered: email, name, and the phone number. So let's move on to our next step, which is our action step. So what is our action step? Our action step is, by using the details which we have received through Voodoo TV, we want to create a new subscriber in MailerLite, that too automatically. First of all, we have to select our action application, which will be MailerLite Classic. And in the action event, we have to select add or update subscriber in the group. Click on connect. And now it is asking us two options: add new connection or select existing connection. So let's click on add new connection. And here we have to enter the API key. So from where we are going to find this API key, for that we have to go on our MailerLite account, and under the profile picture we have to go on integrations. Then we will find our API key. So let me take you to MailerLite account. And now from the right corner we have to go under the profile picture, and under that we have to go on integrations. And as we are on the integration sections, we can find developer API over here. So let's click on use, and we can find that our API key is given over here. So let's just copy it, and then we have to paste it over here in Pabbly Connect. Done. Now simply click on save, and we can find that our MailerLite account is also connected with Pabbly Connect. Now the next is we have to enter the details one by one. First, it is asking for the group ID. That means we have to select the group in which we want to create a new subscriber. So for this purpose, I have created one group in MailerLite. Let me show you that. So under subscriber sections, we have to go on group. And here I have created this, new lead group, and here I have created a new group named as new leads for this particular workflow. So I want to add new subscribers in this group. So I will select this group in Pabbly Connect. So from the given options, we will select the group named as new leads. And the next is email. So we are not going to enter the email and other details manually, but we are going to map them instead by using our previous step. So let's start mapping. Our previous step is Voodoo TV lead captured. Let's select it. And from this response, we have to search for our email, and then we have to select it to map it. Now the next is first name. So let's map the first name also in the same manner. And because we have not received the response of name in separated fields, therefore we are mapping full name only. So I have mapped the full name. The next is the phone number. So let's map the phone number. Done. Now simply we have to click on save and send test request. And our response is positive over here because we have received one ID of a new subscriber which is recently created in MailerLite. So let's go back to MailerLite and check there whether we have received a new subscriber or not. But before that, because MailerLite sent confirmation to the subscribers on email, therefore we have to go and check on our email whether we have received the confirmation email there or not. Let's go and check. And here we can find that yes, a confirmation email has been sent to the email ID which we have entered in the form submission. So let's click on confirm your email, and our subscription is confirmed. Now let's go back to MailerLite, and then we have to check whether the response is received there in the form of a new subscriber in a group or not. So here under subscribers, we can find that a new subscriber is added with the same email which we have received in the response from Voodoo TV lead. So let's go and check in the group also which we have created. So this is our group. Let's click on it, and here we can find that a new subscriber is recently added here also. So this means that our workflow is successful. Now let's summarize what we have done in this workflow. So basically we have taken two steps. First is trigger and the other is action. In trigger we have taken Voodoo TV, and in action we have taken MailerLite Classic. And we have connected both of them in such a way by using Pabbly Connect that now whenever a new lead will be captured through Voodoo TV, automatically by using the details of that lead, a new subscriber will be created in a group in our MailerLite account. So this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can easily integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can easily email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can easily reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you are having any pricing related issue with Pabbly Connect, you can easily reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automation.